what is up everyone? It is your boy Nosabakid. Today I want to go over how to make a modern Suicide Boys type beat from their newest album, okay? Right here. I think it's That Will Be Done, because it's that Kingdom Come, That Will Be Done. And I also want to let you guys know, this might be like, I'm not going to make as much Suicide Boys beats tutorials because I have quite a bit. I want to kind of expand out, and I hope y'all will follow me along, you know what I'm saying? But in this breakdown, I'll go over more in depth of my thought process of why I did what I did. Let's hop right in. Thank you guys very much. This could go for any type of beat, right? You just want to open up TuneBat, and then I'm just going to type in Suicide Boys, and then you're going to have all their songs. Use this for anything. We're going to go down to dude, let's see. Actually, we're just going to type in Blood. I think it's Blood Sweat, because I know that's like one of the most popular ones on the newest album. What do you see, right? You see it's in G sharp minor and 148 BPM. Well, you know what I did? 148 BPM. But I made the melody in D minor. But I knew at the end I was just gonna pitch it up. And what I went for, because when you listen to Blood Sweat, right, you hear this shit. With the guitar, I used Omnisphere for it, because I think Omnisphere has some pretty good fucking guitars, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It has some pretty... Not when you play it like that. I got this guitar and then I just added a bit of distortion to it because I was like, you know, I don't want to copy that shit. I'm gonna make it my own, but we're experimenting. So I got this out of it. Super simple. We go D to A sharp to A, and then we just play around with these notes. Remember, this, it sounds like spooky dark because we're a semitone apart, if you can tell right here, all the way through. And the root note, just D the whole time, bro. Just D. It's just like you're strumming, bro. You go back to the root note and you go back up. And then I just change it up at the end, so it just sounds a bit different. It refreshes your ear, and then you're just ready for a fucking... yeah. And then as I say in my other videos, you want to get filled up, you know what I'm saying? Not like that, but you want the frequencies to get filled up, you know what I'm saying? So we did that with this violin, I think. This is where it gets like funky. It's eerie and it sounds like, bro, it kind of sounds out of key, but you know, I just wanted to make it a bit different, dude. I wanted it to be a part of the album, not the same damn song. So we did that. Remember how the song is a G sharp? We started in D, so we needed to go up 5 semitones to go in G sharp, because we're trying to match the vibe. It's important, bro. You want to match the BPM, not necessarily the key, but around the same BPMs, the same, because it's like, bro, how are you supposed to make a similar song if it's not the same tempo? You can't, bro. I don't know how I didn't know that before. I would just, you open FL, that shit's in 130, you're like, you don't want to change that shit. You just want to make a beat, and then you make some shit, and then you're like, it sounds like ass. So this is how to solve the ass problem. So again, we got off track there. This is no effects. Now this sounds like some emo shit, like some rock, but we don't want that. We want Suicide Boys. So with effects. Now I'm gonna get into the drums. This is it right here. So for the hi-hat pattern, I did hella rolls. I'm not gonna lie. I don't do rolls this long, but let's just listen to it and then I'll break it down. You just want that flowy sound, bro. It's like it's like bouncy, but it's more like you're a wave. So that's why I did that. And then of course I want to change the velocity for some bounce. We go up just so it gives it a little more feeling. Right here, and then just copy and paste it over to the right. And then with the snare action, just every third beat. And then you do have to add the infamous Suicide Boys snare roll. And then this is where we get into like the just clipping hard. I added Soundgoodizer to it because I just wanted it to hit hard. If you want your 808s to hit hard and just be like just obnoxious, Soundgoodizer. This is without Soundgoodizer. With filled your ear up, bro. Just and then the kick. 'Cause I want it to be crunchy, bro. I want it to be like you're eating a bag of chips. Like, let's see. Oh, no distortion. And then I'll play the thing with distortion. Let's hear it. Let a man cook. And if you listen to Blood Sweat as well, they have this chant. So here is the open hat, the final thing to the drums. Let's listen to the drums all together to see how that sounds. Just the crunchiness, the obnoxiousity. Don't even know if that's a word. Now I'm gonna show you all the drums, but before I show you the drums, I got something super important. I made this all with my drum kit. Oh my goodness, guys. Yes, the Ashes and Echoes drum kit. I will be making more different artist sounds. So if you guys do have any recommendations for artists that I should try, even like outside of the Suicide Boys range, please comment down below if you want me to do something like that. I really do appreciate you guys for checking me out, and if you do love my Suicide Boys content, thank you for being an OG. We're at about 648 subs now, and I couldn't be any more grateful, guys. Like, honestly, I love y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe. I did put Blood Sweat lyrics over this, so let's listen to that real quick. And thank you guys. I appreciate it.